In this video, we'll understand what is emSigner is, how to install, and steps required to avoid errors when signing GST filings. So you may come across when you're filing GST filings, there are some errors. Sometimes you can't able to file or sign the DSC. Here we'll show you the steps to follow to avoid the errors. First, let us look at what is emSigner is all about. So emSigner is utility software used for signing digitally various GST documents including GST registration, GST returns, etc. So what is a utility tool? Utility tool is a small software to help to do the particular job. In this case, so we have a DSC and this is the GST portal. We need to sign in the GST portal. So this utility software, that is emSigner, will help us to communicate between this to this and to sign the registration application or the GST returns. So for it is a small software which need to be installed in a system in order to sign the DSC. So here are three important steps after the installation. Before signing, so these steps you need to follow. One is you need to add gst.gov.in in a trusted site. That means you need to go to internet options. There we need to add this website into trusted site. That is one thing. Second one, you need to start the emSigner. For example, let's say you want to sign the document. So you need to check it out whether emSigner is running or not. If not running, you need to start this. Then in a browser, you need to run this. So 127.0.0.1:1585. So this is an enable emSigner to communicate to the DSC and in turn to the GST website, and then you can able to sign. So therefore, if this is not run, sometime we'll have errors. So therefore, you need to run this. I'll show you all these steps step by step. Please follow this video. So first step, you need to download emSigner. So you can just emSigner for GST download. So this is okay. Even free is not there. It's not a problem. Just type emSigner for GST download. So you can see that gst.government.in. So here is a website. Here is emSigner GST. Right click and open in a new tab. So here is a different operating system. So generally if you are using Windows, you can download this. If you are using Linux or Macintosh, then correspondingly you need to download this. Okay, now we are using Windows. Let me download this from the website. Now it is downloaded. Once the download complete, you click here. You have option called as open. Otherwise, you can go show in folder and you right click here and then you can install from this also. Anyone will do the job. Now let's say install. Okay, so click run. So here is the options. Welcome to emSigner setup wizard. You can continue. And this is the default path it's taking. Right, no problem. You can use the default path, or you would like to change the path. You have to browse and change the path. Next, then click install. So now say yes. So it's completed. You can finish this. So now you can say that your emSigner is downloaded and is ready to use. You double click on this. So it required Java runtime environment 1.6.0. So again that you need to download. So here you can see download. So it's downloading now. So once the download is over, you can now open this. So here is the install option. So install. So successfully installed. Now we can close this. So we can come back. Now we can start. So emSigner started successfully. That is the one step. The next step is you can go to internet options. So here is the internet options. And in this we have security. And you can see there is a trusted sites here. You go to sites and here type star.gst.gov.in. That is a website. So click add. So you need to add in the beginning https colon slash slash. So https colon slash slash star gst.in. And this you uncheck this and close. This is the one step. So next step is you open the browser and go here. You type 127.0.0.1 colon. So type 1585. So this is the port where emSigner is running. Sometimes here also some errors comes, but GST site say that if there is no error, no problem. Still you can continue. Sometimes, as I told already, it won't work, but no problem. So once you run this, then you can go back to your filings and then you try file the GST with digital signature. So these are the steps you need to follow. Hope you understand. Please try this. I think it solves the problem. Thank you.